other parts. We've already done the hole, I mean the cylinder. Then I want to add this cut and those two holes and extension. So I'll go on this same plane and then do a sketch. Sketch of that one there. So L for line. I'll draw a line in the center. Somewhere there. I go this way, I go down, and then I go to escape. L for line. I draw that one goes up to the center. And then let's try to trim off this dimension. From this one, the line from here at the end. Two on that line. Here it is moved a bit. Let me see if I can put here the angle, which is 41.2. The modification here because the shape is not coming out properly. So we know that from the top to the bottom here is 10 mils. Between here is let's put a 2, 2, and this length here, let me put half of it, is 12. That angle is okay, 10 is there. So all I have to do is to delete some of these lines. Change this one to a construction line. It's a bit tricky on that side. Put that dimension there. Just put a construction line there. Mirror. See for trim off that part. That's done. So this sketch is actually going to be in the middle. So what I need to do now is to go to extrude. click both of those. Symmetrical and type. Could say all. Then I click OK. That is done. Same side we have a hole. So go back to the same plane. Do an offset inside of 8 millimeters. Then on that new plane for 8 millimeters is where we're going to sketch a circle. A circle, 17 mils. This circle is 18.5 from the bottom. A possible point there. If it is not there, then we do projected geometry. You can push this one down. Project. What I need is project this geometry there so that I can be able to put a dimension. So now I have somewhere, then I click there. That dimension is 18.5. The center, and that will be an extrusion. If I look underneath here, press E, and I just do an extrusion from the profile to the object. Then I click on that side, and I click OK, and that one is there. Then I go back to the same plane, and push this one a bit down. I go to mirror, and I mirror that picture there. And I say OK, and then it is on both sides. Then I can go the same plane and put a hole. Or then I could put a hole even on this other plane. Well, let's just click on that face. Then I do sketch. I can turn this one a bit. Then I go on top of that face. And I draw 11 millimeters. And then I extrude. I click there. Then I do symmetrical. And just drag one of these sides through. To go through, I press OK. Now the drawing is finished. Apart from some few 1 millimeter fillets around this area. There, there. Yeah, I think also there, there. Okay. It's finished. Next to the next drawing.